welcome back to another vlog. God, I'm a goat. Welcome back to another vlog. My name is Ruth Ikpefan and I create lifestyle content. So today is Friday and I'm going to Arena Market to get some, not really get some things. I'm not getting it because I don't have money. I'm going with my friend. I need to get something sharp because I'm going out tomorrow night. I don't have what to wear, so I'll just check if I can see anything there. I'll just get it. If this is your first time seeing this beautiful face, please make sure to subscribe. Oh, my face is glowing. Please subscribe, watch my other videos. If you like my content, just subscribe. We get more videos, more interesting videos. Yeah, so please subscribe, like, share, do all this nice stuff, and yeah, I will update you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm back home and I got home 8:30. I left that market, I left Arena Market 4 o'clock and I got home 8:30. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5 hours 30 minutes from Oshodi to my house. This Lagos is stressful. Lagos is just stressful. Even going to the market again, going to the market is not for the week. I got 2 sneakers for my sister, socks, I got jeans for my mom, and also slippers, like the fancy slippers. Then I got, look at that, I have them here. I got this bomb shorts. This is the back. Can you see? So this is what I'm going to wear tomorrow. I'm going to wear all black. So I got this. I got jeans. I got black jeans because I don't have black jeans. Got a new pair. Then I got a shirt for tomorrow too. This V-neck crop top. Yeah, this is what I got. Guys, good morning. Oh, sorry, good afternoon. I'd have gone since. I was just doing something. I was filling my logbook and I was doing other things, but I'm done now. I just ate pando yam with raw soup with turkey and fish and pomo, all those sweets. It was really nice. So now I have energy to start this journey. Yeah, so let's go there. Guys, so I just got here. The journey was okay. It wasn't really stressful. I want to have my bath, then I want to fry yam for my sister, so I'll leave like 6:37. I'll leave like 7 o'clock most likely. I can't stress myself.
Sickest sound.
Welcome. This is Real Icon Enterprise game tonight. So my edition is about to get lit. We got Jenga. Yes. We got what? We got Uno. Those are just like starter games. We got Fill in the Black. Very similar to Giddy Words, but also very different. That's Spin the Bottle. Things are going to get a little bit rough there. Plus 18 things. We have Dare Me, very similar to Do or Drink, but it's only theirs, nothing else, not true. Upstairs, you notice that we have some other things going on.
Yeah.
Football competition. This is my co-host, Timmy.
today.
Guys, so I'm back. Yo, that party was lit. It was interesting. I really enjoyed myself. I danced my life out. I was so tired, like seriously. Even to now I'm still tired. I got to my sister's place early this morning. It was like overnight stuff. So I'm home now, and it is like 2 something or 2:30 or 3. The party was lit. It was fun. The games were interesting, and I drank a lot. I drank because of the games. That's why I drank, because I wanted to, because of the game, because I failed like some games. That was why I drank. Like I took shots. It was, yeah, it was annoying, but it was nice at the same time. So I think I've come to the end of the vlog. Please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, and do all those nice stuff. I love you guys. Thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for 324 subscribers. I love you guys. You guys are like my fam, like my people I usually take with, like, this is my journey. So thank you guys for watching me. Even the last video, thank you for the love, because the last video, it was really mad. Like the views, the watch time, everything, it was really mad. So thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye guys for now.